Hey, it's Myra, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate the tuning kit for TweetHustler. So for this to work, you already need a basic TweetHustler license, and you need to install TweetHustler itself, which is covered in previous videos. Check those out if you haven't done it yet. And after opening up your TweetHustler, you can click on the auto message posting item in the left menu. And here you can see that the default version you've got is able to automatically message post in all Telegram channels. So this means your tweet link gets auto-posted into Telegram channels, but as you know, there are also engagement groups on Discord. And to be able to auto-message post into them as well, you need the tuning kit. The tuning kit is available when you click on this green button. This brings you to our Gumroad page. See, TweetHustler Tuning Kit. And we've got two tiers. So the first tier is just auto message posting in all Discord channels. And the second tier is auto message posting in all Discord channels plus the auto retweeting your clients or friends. I'm going to cover this functionality in a different video to keep things simple for this video. In any case, after you subscribed, you get a tuning kit license key. So the workflow is the same. And the license key is in your Gumroad library when you click on the tuning kit. And it also gets sent to your email after subscribing. So it's the same workflow you already encountered when you subscribe to TweetHustler. So after subscribing and getting your license key, you open your TweetHustler, click on version and license keys in the left menu. And here you can see here's your main license key. And below is the tuning kit license key. So for entering, we click on edit. I already copied mine, paste it and save. This triggers a validation and you can cross-check it's saved and it's also valid. Awesome. So this means now when we click on auto message posting again, the green button is gone and it says auto message posting on Telegram and every single Discord channel. So you successfully enabled the auto message posting into every single Discord channel. This works out of the box. There's no need to invite a bot or anything. You can just use it for every single Discord channel, quite literally. And so you just post your tweet link into the message field and then you click on an engage button. Again, I've covered this workflow in another video. Check this out if you haven't already. And yeah, so that's it for now.